Hello everyone. If you are looking for a cheap internet plan and come across Xfinity Now Internet, you might be wondering, is it actually worth it in 2026 or just another basic plan with compromises? So in today's video, we will break it down in the simplest way possible. So first of all, let's understand what is Xfinity Now Internet. So this is Xfinity's budget-friendly internet plan, which is designed for the people who want low monthly cost without any contracts. You can see here, it is going to be costing you around $30 per month with the speeds, which is going to be 100 Mbps. Now, if I talk about the performance, 100 Mbps may not sound very high, but for the normal usage like YouTube, browsing, online classes, video calls, it's actually enough. You can easily connect multiple devices and still get smooth performance for the daily tasks. But here is the important part. This particular plan is not made for the heavy users. If you do gaming, 4K streaming or large downloads, you may feel it's a bit slow as compared to the higher plans that go up to 1 Gbps or more. So if I talk about what makes it really attractive, so the biggest advantage is simple pricing, no contracts, low monthly cost, and often includes the equipment for the basic setup. Also, Xfinity has started focusing on more transparent pricing with long-term price stability, which is a big improvement as compared to the older plans. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.